Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope everyone is good by the grace of God. So today's our session is sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. See, this is the last topic for CBSE and Karnataka State Board syllabus. So Karnataka State Board syllabus we have 1.4 and CBSE NCERT we have 5.4. But Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state students we have a 6.4. Understand? So next, Karnataka and CBSE NCERT students, we have a last exercise that is 1.3. Okay, we can complete here the little bit. So let's start our session. Before going to continue our lesson, please like and share my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Understand? Thank you. So before that, one thing I need to ask you. So what is the use of this sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression? That means someone if asks you what is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on up to 100. What is the sum of 100 natural numbers? Then how can you say? It takes more time. It takes long time. That means you have to add like this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus up to you have to add 100 terms. Are you getting? Are you getting? It's very long process we are doing. But by using a formula, we can solve very easily. But before that, I need to say some explanation. How can you solve this solution? So let's start. So sum of 100 natural numbers. We need to add this. Okay, without formula we can solve this solution. How? So Sn, that means sum of n terms. What is Sn? Sn is nothing but sum of n terms. That means up to we have 100. So S 100 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on 99 plus 100 we have. Okay. So now what you have to do? Reverse. Reverse the numbers. Reverse the numbers. This is the main trick what I am saying here. Reverse the number. That means Sn, S itself. Why don't you write here S itself? Okay. No problem. S is equal to, what is the reverse of the number? That is 100 plus 99 plus 98 and so on plus 2 plus 1. Right? So keep it equation number 2. Now add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. What will get? So 2s we get. S plus s what? 2s is equal to 1 plus 100 into 1 plus 100 plus 2 plus 99. Are you getting? Plus 3 plus 98. You can take in bracket and so on up to, what is the last here? 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1. See here, how many terms we have? We have 100 terms. We have 100 terms. Why? Because we take 100 natural numbers. Are you getting? What we took here? We took 100 natural numbers. So here also we have 100 terms. Okay, before that, one thing I need to say you guys. What is 2 times of 4 means, or how can you write this? 2 times of 4. That means 2 into 4. That means 2 times of 4. What is the result? 8. Then what is 100 times of 100? 100 times of 100. 100 times of 100. Nothing but 100 into 100. You have to multiply. If someone asks you what is 90 times of 8, 90 times means multiply 8. 90 times of 8. So 90 into 8 you have to write. Are you getting? So like that here also we get the same process we are doing here. 2s is equal to 1 plus 100, 101. 2 plus 99, 101. 3 plus 98, see 101. And so on, 100 plus 1, we get a 101. See how many 101 we have? How many 101 we have? We have 100 times. 100 times of 100 times of 101 we have. 100 times of 101 we have. So how can you write here? 2s is equal to 100 times of 101 means 100 times of 101. Are you getting? So 2s is equal to, s is equal to 100 into 101 divided by, these two will be divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, we get 0. Multiply 50 into 101. What will get our answer? 50, 50. So you can write here Sn also, guys. There is no problem. 2Sn, Sn. That means sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. You can write like that also. No problem. So sum of n terms, that is equal to 50, 50. But what is n here? What is n? N is 100. Number of terms. Number of term is 100. That is S100 is equal to 50, 50. S100 is equal to 50, 50. Understand? How is this? Before that, pause the video to note down. Okay. Completed. See here. Next, we need to find what is the formula of sum of n terms. We need to find a formula of sum of n terms. Let's start. See, now we need to find out the formula. Do you know general form of an arithmetic progression? A plus D, A plus 2D and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? A is the first term, second term, third term, and what is this? This is the nth term, that is Tn. So now we need to find sum of these terms. That means A plus D plus A plus 2D plus and so on plus A plus n minus 1 into D. We have to add these terms. For that, let Sn is equal to add all A plus D plus A plus 2D plus, are you getting, students? And so on plus A plus n minus 1 into D. I added. So before that, what I told here? So reverse the numbers. So same process you are doing here. We are doing reverse or rewriting. Rewriting the terms in reverse order. In reverse order. So Sn is equal to, before that I need to say you one thing. So what is the preceding number of n minus 1? Preceding number we need. Preceding number. Preceding number means we have to subtract minus 1 to the given number. We have to subtract minus 1 to the given number. So preceding number of n minus 1 is n minus 1. Subtract again minus 1. Then what will happen here? N minus into minus. Minus 2. Minus into minus plus 1 plus 1. 2. In front of 1 we have minus. So keep n minus 2. Then tell me what is the preceding number of n minus 2? Again n minus 2 minus 1. So what we get? N minus 3. And what is the next number? Preceding number, before number we need n minus 4. And next number n minus 5. Are you getting? So this is the process. So here also we are writing the same. See here. Which one is the last term here? That is A plus n minus 1 into D plus, what is the before term here? A plus, see here, n minus 1. Preceding number of n minus 1 is n minus 2 into D. Are you getting? And next term, what do you want to write? A plus n minus 3 into D and so on. The last two steps are A plus D plus A. A plus D plus A. So now add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. So this is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. So Sn plus Sn what? 2Sn is equal to A plus, again this, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Keep it in the bracket. Plus A plus D a plus d plus, next again we have to add this a plus n minus 2 into d. Are you getting? Are you getting? And so on. What is the last term? A plus n minus 1 into d plus a. Write down here a plus n minus 1 into d plus a. This is the last term. Nothing we are doing here. Now I am adding equation 1 and 2 itself. See, Sn plus Sn, what we have? 2Sn. Next a plus n minus 1 into d. This is plus a plus 2d. A plus 2d, not a plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d. See, and so on. What is the last term? We have a plus n minus 1 into d. And here what is the last term? That is a. So add both two numbers. Are you getting? So next step what we have to do here? Check once. 2Sn is equal to a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Keep it in the bracket. Plus, again see here a plus a. See here, how can you write a plus a? That is 2a plus d plus multiply d here. N into d, nd minus 2 into d, 2d. Okay. Now what is the next step here? 2a, see here, 1d minus 2d. If you don't know the answer, just think what is the coefficient of d here? In front of d we have 1. Okay, 1 into d. So 1 minus 2, what? Minus 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1. So d is a common. So keep minus d. Plus nd. Are you getting? And next, see here, 2a. So take d as common. Take d as common. How? Plus d. So n minus 1 we have, no? So write down minus 1. So what we get here? 2a plus d, n minus 1. Or you can write like that. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See here, the same term we came here. Is it right? So here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The same term here. See here also we are getting 101 plus 101 plus 101. Same term we are getting. So here also we are getting a same term. That is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And so on up to at last. That is 2a plus n minus 1 into d itself. And next, how many terms we have? How many terms? See here we have 100 terms here. See 100 terms here. So I written here 100 times of 101 here. See here, this is a n is 100, no? Yes, 100 we need to find. So how many terms we have? 100 terms we have. So I write here 100 times of 101. And what about here? We have n. So we have n times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many times? N times. N times. Then how can you write this? 2Sn is equal to n times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d means n times means multiply n times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Are you getting? N into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to, here see, divide this 2. That is n divided by 2. Shall we write like this? Yes. Into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See how simple it is. Are you getting? This is the formula. What is this? This is the formula of sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. What is the formula? This is the formula. Very, very important. See now, can you check this? This formula is applicable to this question or not? Shall we start? What we need to get our answer? Yes, 100 is equal to 5050 we need to get. See, same thing I am doing here. N is equal to 100. A is equal to 1. D is equal to 1. Why? How it will come here? Because we need to add up to 100 natural numbers. No, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 100 we need to add. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 100. See, S100 is equal to, what is N? N is 100. That means 100 terms divided by 2 into 1 plus N, how much? 100 minus, what is 1? 1 itself into D. Are you getting? So S100 is equal to, cancel 2 5s are 10, 0. We'll get 50 into 2 plus 100 minus 1, 99. 99 ones are 99 itself. So 50 into 99, 2. 99 plus 2 what? 101. Now multiply these two. 101 into 50, what we get? 5050. Just check. The same answer we came here. Are you getting? How the formula is useful? See, it's very important formula. Are you getting? See here, this formula can be rewriting as Sn is equal to n divided by 2. See guys, 2a can be written as a plus a, because a plus a what? 2a. So write down here a plus n minus 1 into d. See, do you know what is this? A plus n minus 1 into d. See here, a plus n minus 1 into d. What is this? This is nth term. What is this? Nth term. See here it is. A plus n minus 1 into d is nth term. You can write here Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into a plus tn. A plus tn. Or you can write an and tn both are same. An and tn both are same. Otherwise you can write otherwise you can write Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, because we are assuming that L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Are you getting? You can write your name also because your name will be a plus n minus 1 into d. As it is, anytime you can write, no problem for that. Okay. And before that, let L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to write like this. You have to write like this. So what is Sn here? Sn is equal to, that is sum of n terms of arithmetic progression, that is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. And what is L here? L is nth term of arithmetic progression. What is L? L is nth term. Nth term of arithmetic progression. What is the formula of L here? A plus n minus 1 into d. Are you getting? Understand? Before that, please pause the video to note down each and every question. You have to note every step. Sorry. Let's see this example 11, question number 11. Find the sum of first 22 terms of arithmetic progression, that is 8, 3, minus 2. We know that this is term 1, term 2, term 3. And what we need to find sum of first 22 terms of arithmetic progression. That means we need to find sum 8 plus 3 plus minus 2 up to 22 terms we need to find. So here the 22 term is final term. That means end of the term. Tn. What is sum of n terms here? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. See here. What we need to find, what is n, what is a and what is d. Everyone knows that d is a common difference between two terms, that is t2 minus t1. Okay. So find out here. N is equal to, what is the final term here? 22. Comma a is equal to first term, that is 8. Comma what is d? D is equal to t2 minus t1. That is 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. What is d here? Minus 5 is the answer. Why minus 5? Because 3 is smaller than 8. So that I am writing here negative sign. Understand? So apply in the formula. Sn is equal to what? N is 22. S22 is equal to 22 divided by 2 into A means 8 plus N means 22 minus 1. What is D? That is minus 5. Okay. So cancel 2 ones are 2. 2 11s are 22. So write down 11 into 2 8s are 16 plus 22 minus 1, that is 21 into minus 5. See here, plus into minus will become minus. Plus into minus what? minus 16 minus 21 into 5. What? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. That is 105. Okay. What is the 16 minus 105? Subtract that. What we get? Minus 89. Minus 89. Check once. And again you have to multiply 11 into 89. We will get 979. And then we have a negative sign. So keep negative. Minus. Minus 979 is the answer. Before that, please pause the video to note down all. See here, question number 11. That is exercise 11 for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state students. But example 12 for Karnataka, CBSE and NCERT students. What they given? Sum of the first 14 terms. See, first 14 terms of an arithmetic progression is 1050. Already they given Sn is equal to 1050. And what they given n here? N is 14. That means n is the number of terms. How many terms they are given here? 14 terms. And the first term is 10. So what is the first term here? That is a is equal to 10. Already given. What is the formula of Sn? See, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn means 1050 is equal to, substitute all things. N is 14 by 2 into 2 into 10, right? So here, why don't you write here like this? Sn is equal to, what is n ma? N is 14. 14 divided by 2 into 10 plus 14 minus 1 into, what is d? See here, d. We need to find a common difference here into d. So what is Sn? Sn is 1050. I forgot to write here. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Write down 7 into 2 tens are 20 plus 14 minus 1, 13 into d. Write down like this. Okay. Now 1050 is equal to 7 into 20. 7 twos are 14 and 0 keep like that. So 27s are 140 plus 13 sevens are 91 into d. Understand this step? Understand this step? And next see here, 1050 plus 140 will become minus 140 when we move to left side. That is equal to 91d. And subtract these things, 1050 minus 140. What will we get? 910 is equal to 91d. Are you getting? So cancel 91 ones are 91. 91 tens are 910. So what is the common difference here? D is equal to 10. See here, we got D is equal to 10. Are you getting? So what we need to find here? Last, find the 20th term we need to find. That is T20 or A20. As you wish, you can write like that also. Is equal to, what is the formula of here? That is A plus N minus 1 into D. What is A ma? A is 10. I written here. Plus N is, we need to find 20th term. No? So write down 20 minus 1 into D is, what is D? D is 10. So if you substitute these things, we get 200. This is the example 12 for Karnataka and 11 for AP and TS state people.